We just picked the car up now. The cycle journey's over. 4:28 and the journey's over. Thank you Enterprise for giving us
Brilliant car.
brilliant car.
334 miles on the clock.
Let's do this, guys. Mulla, anything to say before we start?
No, let's just make sure we get home safely now.
Inshallah. Guys, speak to you on the journey. Mulla's driving. We're coming out of London now. Mulla, what's annoying you at the moment?
I'm driving and I'm tired.
Isn't the bloody cyclist annoying you?
Get out of the way, cyclist!
Get out of the way, cyclist! Guys, we just passed Watford. Amazing seeing the sites that we actually cycled past. So we're counting down the places that we visited by the site and how many we visited. Mulla, what do you think?
I just think, oh fuck!
Guys, he just went. You know, thank God nothing's happened to us, but the car's a bit. Well, actually, the Mulla's a bit wet. Mulla, any comment?
It's so uncomfortable.
I was supposed to drive the second part of the journey. I am not sitting on a wet seat, so it's 10:10. We've just reached Accrington. So Mulla's dropping me off first, and then he's gonna go home. It's an end of a journey. It was an amazing journey. So glad to be home. All the donations.
Without you guys, we couldn't have done it, guys. Honestly, really, thank you everyone. Finally got home. Still can't believe you made me drive all the way home.
I'm gonna hear that non-stop every single day.
He says he forgot how to drive because he's been cycling for the last 5 days. That's his excuse.
Guys, before we go, we genuinely want to say thank you to everybody that helped and supported us, helped the charity and donated. Thank you so much. Are you keeping it open for a while? The phone just giving the Just Giving page.
Yeah.
Huh? Guys,
End of journey.
end of journey. Thank you. Bye.
Guys, it's 10:10. Just got home. I know you can't see anything. I'm just opening the door. Just gonna get in. My daughter, I think, has stayed up for me. What a surprise! Oh, can't believe they've done that. What's all this? You okay? Come give me a hug. Yeah, you okay? You miss me? Yeah? Give me a hug.
We're just coming in now, dropping the bikes off. The journey dropping the bikes off is a journey we used to cycle quite a bit, and it's shocking us how far this distance is, isn't it, Mulla?
But more further than 234 miles.
You know what I mean. But the journey is quite far, and there's a lot of hills, and we did this journey.
To be honest, I don't want to
quite
drop
a few
my
times.
bike off. I want to keep it.
You can keep your bike, mate. I can't wait to drop it off. I don't want to see a cycle or ride a bike ever again. Back to my bikes. Do you know something? It just feels weird saying goodbye. Got quite attached to it. It's quite weird. There's my bike. 238 miles. And all it did was just one flat tire.
That's what I brought.
And Mulla broke his bike. He's a bad manhandler.
Guys, just returning the bags back to Cycle Recycle. Love these bags, don't want to give them back. Actually, do it. Can you guess which bag I'm buying? Which shots? Yeah, leave you guys.
Why do you put this in?
Sham, what are you doing?
Guys, just returning the bikes back to Cycle Recycle. They've been amazing. They've donated the bikes for us to do for charity, along with the helmets and the equipment. So it's a big thank you to Cycle Recycle, guys. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome,
Absolute
sir.
pleasure.
Very much.
Well done.
Big
Thank you very
pleasure, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Excellent ride.
Thank you.
I'm missing my bike. I want to it.
Mulla's a bit attached, and I think we need to call a priest over to get him married to this bike.
No. Yeah. Go on.
Where are you?
That's my bike.
There you go.
Mulla's wedded to his bike, yeah?
I am. I'm married to my bike. Sham's got a bit emotional. He just dropped his bike off.
I've really got attached to my bike. Really attached. It's, you know, amazing guys. Cycle Recycle to donate for the charity. Their contribution is amazing.
Yeah.
And they didn't just donate bikes, they donated the equipment. Amazing. Cycle Recycle.
Cycle Recycle, guys. Now we have to get in this thing with 4 wheels. We're not used to that, are we? What are you doing? Huh? Are you getting my ice for me?
Yeah.
Go and get the other ones. Good girl. How many ice cube bags have we got?
3.
Oh, how many more left?
5.
Good girl, thank you.